Hello, this is Dr. Danish. Welcome to biology tutorial. In today's video lecture, I will explain you about Golgi complex. Actually, Golgi complex is also known as Golgi apparatus, Golgi body. You can take any name. When you are writing something, you are reading something, you are explaining something, so you can take any name like Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. All the three names are correct, so there is no issue in it. So on the basis of the function it performs, actually this is a cell organelle, and on the basis of the function this organelle performs. This is also known as post office of the cell, like it distributes the synthesized protein to their locations. That's why this is called as the post office of the cell. Okay. Actually, it was first described by Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi was a scientist, an Italian scientist who was working on the nerve cells in cat and brown owl. So when he was working on the nerve cells, he found some kind of structure which was not known at the time. So he called that structure, and this is that structure. He called this structure as Golgi complex. So Golgi complex actually is a system of components. It is not a single organelle, it is a system of 2 to 3 components, and those components are cisternae. These are like flat sacs which are parallel to each other and they are stacked at a point. And second is the vesicle. Vesicle are round ball like structures in which the protein is packed, and tubules. Tubules may be branch or may be long tube like structures. So in this animal cell, I describe you the Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? Actually, this is a system of 3 components. So these yellow flattened sac like structure are known as cisternae, and this is the name. I marked this cisternae as 1 because this is the first component of Golgi complex. So long flattened sac like structure which are parallel to each other and stacked at a point, at a place. And the second kind of component is round vesicles. These are the vesicles. Actually, Golgi apparatus form two phases. One is the forming phase. One is the forming phase, and second is the maturing phase. Forming phase is that phase who receives the vesicle from the endoplasmic reticulum. Actually, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes manufacture so many proteins, and after the manufacturing of protein, these proteins go into the lumen of endoplasmic reticulum, and from there they are packed into the vesicle and they get targeted towards the Golgi complex. This phase of Golgi complex, where the forming phase is here, and at forming phase they fuse with the cisternae and transfer the protein to the Golgi apparatus, and the Golgi apparatus now will distribute this protein to the different component of the cell. Okay, and how they will distribute? They will make the mature vesicles at maturing phase, and at maturing phase there will be so many vesicles, mature vesicles, that will be sent that will be sent to the different components of the cell for their protein requirement. Okay. And the third kind of structure, the third kind of component is branch or tube-like structures. Branch tube are unbranched tubes. So these are tubules. So these are the three components of Golgi apparatus: cisternae, second vesicle, third is tubules. So now I will explain you what is the function. Actually, Golgi apparatus is regarded as the post office of the cell because it transports the protein synthesized by the ribosomes to the interior and exterior of the cell. It actually provides the protein, it actually transports the protein to the interior of the cell and as well as the exterior of the cell. It means in the interior of the cell there are so many organelles which require proteins. So this Golgi apparatus will provide the protein to the different components of the cell, as well as it will also provide the protein from to the exterior of the cell, it means outside of the cell. Okay. And in short, if we conclude the functions of the Golgi complex, so it will be the storage of protein, modification of proteins. Actually, the proteins which is formed in ribosomes and transported to the Golgi complex. In Golgi complex, this protein modifies in some extent. Okay, and the packaging of protein in vesicle, and the ultimate function of Golgi complex is to make vesicles packed with the protein for the interior as well as the exterior of the cell. So this is all about the Golgi complex. I think for 9th class it will be enough to get an understanding for the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. So this is all for the today's class. In the next video I will explain the another cell organelle. Till then, goodbye.